Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to transition from desktop to QuickBooks Online. Switching from QuickBooks Desktop to QuickBooks Online lets you work from anywhere with automatic backups and updates. Now before you start, you want to update QuickBooks Desktop to the latest release and then log in as an admin in single user mode and ensure that your company file is under 750,000 targets or condensed data first. Now, steps to migrate in QuickBooks Desktop, you want to open your company file and then go to Company, Export Company File to QuickBooks Online. Now you're going to sign into your QuickBooks Online account, and if you don't have one, you can just create one and choose whether to bring over inventory. Select your QuickBooks Online company, or you can just create a new one if you don't have one already. Now wait for the migration to complete. You're gonna get an email when it's ready. Now after migration, you want to compare your trial balance reports in both desktop and online to confirm accuracy. You also want to reconnect your bank and credit card feeds, as well as to recreate any custom reports and user permission that isn't already transferred. And pro tip is to keep your desktop version for at least a year as a reference in case you need historical data that's not carried over. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.